Right. Collection data types also completed. And basically we have a two types of data types. The first one is fundamental data types, my friends. And second one is what? Collection data type. In fundamental, we have a five. First one is integer, float, Boolean, string, and complex. In collection, we have a file, list, tuple, dictionary, set, and range. So these are the data types we completed in our last session. And today I'm going to highlighting one more topic is what? Okay, operators. Operators. And sir, before going to operators, okay, I'll tell you some basic functions, sir. Basics functions in Python. Later we'll go with operators, right? Basic functions in Python. Okay, in that the first function is print function, sir. Already we are going to using, please understand, print function. See, the use of print function is to print output in console. To print output in console. Suppose if you want to print output in your console application or standalone application, then go with what? Print function. So simple thing, the use of print function is okay to print okay to print to print output in console to print output in console. Sir, I'll tell you so many print operation, how to print. Okay, how to print. Suppose, guys, we can use print directly, we can print the string like, hello Python. Hello Python. First format. First format. Okay. And if you print hello Python directly we are going to printing the string. Suppose first operation. Sir, I want to print a string with one value. String with one value. Okay, string with one value. Here I am going to showing you. Give me 1 minute. Okay, here online compiler is there. Okay. Print. So here directly I am printing the string here. Print, hello. Okay, hello. Okay, Python. Hello, Python. I go just run this file. Okay, hello Python. Directly we are going to printing the string. Sometime we are going to printing string with value. Name is equal to, okay, just I given the Satya like this I given. Is a, in name variable I given the value. And if you want to print output string with our value, then what happened? My name is equal to, then give the comma, just give the name, sir. Name is nothing but a variable. In that variable, we have a some value. Then my name is name. So my name is string. We are concatenating with our value. Now you can see, sir. The second approach, my name is Satya. Like this, we are going to print it. The next way, sir. Okay, suppose I given some variable like x comma y comma z. Okay, z. Three variables I given. Guys, in x 100 value I given, in y 200 I given, in z 400 value I given. So directly I want to print the values. Yes, you can print it, my friends. Print ex you can use print it directly x without giving any string. Then print y you can print. Okay, we can print it. Okay, print okay, z can be print. Okay, print it. Sir, I want to print three values at a time. Yes, you can print x comma y comma z. You can print it. So directly values are going to printing with output from just printed. Look, sir, like this also we are going to printing. The next approach, my friends. Okay, sometime we can print one format. Look here, name two. Okay, name two is equal to I given Sagar. Okay, Sagar Patil. Like this, I given the one name. And we can print another format, print format is what, like here can use a F, it is a format, sir. F, my, okay, name is And here we are going to using the, this curly brace. Okay, name. This is the format. Okay, name. Like this also we are going to printing. This is a format. Okay, just run this one. What happens, sir? My name is Satya. Okay, F is a format. Format. Okay, my name is. So curly within the curly brace is expressions. Okay, this one can hold the expression value. Like this, we can print multiple values also. Suppose, guys, here I given the roll number is equal to 120, and okay, name 3 is equal to, I given my name Sairam. Okay, Saira. At a time, I want to put three values. How to print three values? Roll number and course underscore name is equal to Python. Like this, I define three variables, sir. And these three variable values I am going to print in the format. How to print, print, okay, F double quote. Okay, my roll number, okay, roll number is equal to curly brace, then use the roll number, sir. Roll number, then use again comma. Okay, my, okay, name is equal to, then use, okay, name 3, name 3, comma. Okay, my course, okay, name equal to, then use the course name, course underscore name, sir. Like this, you can print it. Okay, means what? We given the string with our value, string with value. Like this, also we are going to printing the output. Please remember this one. Printing my roll number is 120, my name is Ira, my course name is Python. Like this, we are going to printing. This many ways we are going to printing the output in your program. Guys, are you there? Need your response? Hello,
Yes, sir.
please remember. So these are the output I given.
Sir, what is the meaning of F?
Format, output format. Okay. F means what? Output format. Clear? The format. Right? So this many, okay, single value we are going to printing, only single string, value is string. This many ways we are going to printing the values. Clear my point? Need a response? Yes or no? Hello, are you there? Need a response, sir?
Yes, yes, sir.
This second. The second function is nothing but a type function, sir. Type function looks very, very important. See, actually, Python can support dynamic typed variable declaration. Dynamic typed variable declaration. So, if if you want to know the what type of variable you declared, if you want to know the data type of a given variable, then go with what type function. So, right. So the use of, okay, type function is the use of type function is the use of a type function is, okay, to knows the, okay, to knows the data type of given given variable variable given variable. So example now understand. Okay, look, sir, here I given the some variable already, sir. Roll number is equal to 120. Now tell me, this is what type of what type of variable, sir? Tell me. 120 is what type of
In,
data?
Integer.
integer data and roll number is variable. Means
Right. 120 is a integer. Already we know. Okay, sir, I want to know programmatically. Then what happened? Just use a print type of roll
roll
number. You
number.
can use it, right?
Yes.
Then now tell me, sir. Name is equal to I given Sagar. Okay, Sagar. You see, this Sagar is what type of data? Tell
String.
me. Huh? Tell me, sir.
String.
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 I want to know programmatically. Type of a name. What happens, sir? Again, it can be print type of name. Print it can give the string typed. The next, suppose salary is equal to okay 4,500.99 I give, right? Then print okay print
Salary.
okay, salary comma I want to
Comma
know
type
data type
salary.
of salary.
Salary.
Now tell salary is what type, sir?
Float.
Float.
Very good. Com is equal to 10 plus something 90J. Okay, 90J. Now I am going to print
Print
here
com
COM comma type
type
of
of
com is what
COM.
type, sir?
Complex data type.
Complex type. Nice, nice. Suppose B is equal to true I given. Okay, then print
Print P.
print okay
B.
B I am going to printing type
Type
of
of
B I
data.
am going to printing. So type function what will do? Tell what type of data type we given the given variable, right? Look, sir. Okay, first one is int, second one is
Integer.
sagar is
String.
string. Okay, this is what floating point is a complex value and boolean value, right?
Yes,
Array
sir.
star no guys.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Roll number. Better understanding purpose. I given value and beside I given the data type also. Clear? Like this, we know the data type of given variable by using the type function. Very basic functions every time we are going to using. Clear? Sir,
Yes,
practice is
sir.
the weapon. Okay. If okay, if unable to practice, you won't remember all these functions, sir. Right? Okay. These are the type function. The next one, sir, third one is what a ID function, sir. ID function. ID function. Look, sir, the use of ID function is ID function is to knows okay very address of the variable address of the variables address of the variable, sir. Address of the variable. The use of ID function is to knows address of the variable. Means what? Suppose, guys, when you declare any value, every value having a unique address. Now I am going with this one only. Look, sir, and roll number can one address. So what happens? Simply, comma. I given ID of roll number I given. Look, sir, ID of roll number. It can take unique location, sir. Every variable having a unique location. How to print, sir? Just, print ID of roll number. Means it can show the address of given variable. Every value having its own address. Means what? Now I am asking some questions, sir. Roshan Gupta, you are from where?
Yes. Yes. Any question for me?
You are from where?
Gurgaon.
Yes. Look here. So actually,
Mhm.
Roshan Gupta is my value. Okay. Now I'm asking, Roshan Gupta is a value, and that value in which location? Gurgaon. Sagar Patil where from where?
Solapur.
Solapur. Sagar Patil is nothing but a my value, and my value located in where? Solapur. Okay. Satya Shivani where?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. And Satya Sivan is nothing but my value. Located in where? Hyderabad. In the same way, okay, if you declare different variable, every value having a unique location in our program. Location is nothing but it's a storage a memory location. So how to identify that memory location? That's why they given the ID function, sir. ID function. So I am going to showing all the ID functions. So beside type I given the ID of name I given. Here beside I am giving, sir. Then comma ID of individually also you can use, but I am giving here ID of salary. Then here comma ID of com.
Com.
And here I given comma, ID of
B.
B also I given. Let's see. Okay, individually. Then if you run this one, guys, understand. Look here. Okay, this is this is same location because the roll number two time I given. Now 120 is a value. It is a type is integer. It is the address of the location. Sagar is a value and type is string. This is the location. Sir, location is not same. Location always will be changed, right? Okay, observe here. Number is different. 6392 last. Look, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Different location.
Mhm.
Like this, we know the, what we call address of the given variable value in your application. This is the ID function. ID function, guys. Please practice. Practice is very, very important. Sir, every function is very, very important in your Python programming language. But, here I am giving the notes are when you face the interview. So, ID function. Okay, return. Okay, ID function return integer value. Integer value, sir. Are you understand? Means address can return which format, sir? Pure integer number. Yes or no?
Yes.
ID function
Yes.
return integer value. They will ask you the question. Very, very important. So, what is the purpose of ID? To know the address of the given variable. ID function return type is what, sir? Pure integer number. Pure integer number, sir. It is not a combination. Suppose if you go with other programming language, it will give the string return type. But in Python, it will give the pure integer type, right?
Integer value. Yes.
Then fourth function, sir, is a input function. Very, very powerful function. Input function. Guys, to display output, then go with what? Print function. Sir, I want to give the I want to give the value at runtime to my application. Then go with what? Input function. Input function. Look, sir, how to give the input. Look here, sir. I am coming slowly here. Okay. Suppose I want to read the value from keyboard at runtime. Suppose roll number is equal to input of like this. Enter your roll number like this I given, sir. Means it will ask you every time. Just you can run. Okay, it will ask enter your roll number. Okay, look, sir. Then I am going to print just the roll number like this I printed. Just run this code. What happened? Asking the roll number. My roll number is 123 like this. Just hit enter button. We given the input and giving the output. So if you want to, in real world, we are not going, every time we are not going to providing, fixing the value in variable. Fixing the value variable, sir. You don't fix actually. Okay. Okay. As a developer, every time we are going to reading new value from the keyboard. Okay. User to user value can be changed. That's why compulsory we need to provide the input value. Suppose that I want to give the name value. Then what happened? Name, okay, name is equal to input of enter, okay, your name. Like this you give answer. Now I am going to print a name. Look, sir. So if you run this code, again it will ask the your roll number and name. This time roll number is 20, printed. And asking the name. Name is what, sir? Something called Sairam, printed. Means input function, what happens, sir? Every time can take a new input values. So if you run again, sir, again it will be asked. This time roll number is what? Something 30. Okay, my name is something what, sir? Tony. Like this. So this is the real usage. Input function, sir, to provide input values runtime to the program. That is the main purpose of input function. Clear my point? Need a response? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. The input function is used to takes input values from the keyboard. From the keyboard, sir. From the keyboard. Okay. Okay. From the keyboard at runtime. At runtime. from the console. From the console. Wait, I'll stop. ఏందా బై వాకే వచ్చు ఏమది అవును కాదు గో ఫర్ బాత్ ఓకే right, so guys, this is what take the input function, but guys, actually the input function okay, as a input takes string values only, sir. String values only. String values only. So what is that meaning? I'll tell you. String values only. Okay. String values only. Okay. Okay. String values only. Just I'm giving the example. This one. String values only. This is the example, sir. And now I'll explain you second one. String values only. Right? Sir, why? What is the meaning of second one? Look, my friends. Here, suppose, look here. X is equal. Suppose N1 I am giving. N1 is equal to input of enter your N1 value. N1 value I taken. Similarly, I given one more variable here. I am good reading second value also. Second value also. That is what? En2. Enter N2 value. Enter N2 value. So after giving two values, just I am going to performing addition operations, sir, like N1 plus En2. Now I am running my code. I need your answer. Give me the answer. Just run, sir. See, asking the N1 value. N1 value is at 10 and N2 value is at 20, sir. Now tell me, sir, what is the output here? If you do N1 plus N2, what is your answer here? Sagar?
30.
Huh?
30.
No. Guys, exactly answer is wrong. Okay. Because of, okay, manually is right. But guys, input function, okay, which number you given, the 10 and 20, consider as a string only. Look here, 1020 is printed.
अच्छा
Two numbers are concatenated. And, sir, right or wrong? I'll tell you this one, sir. Okay, print, look, sir, type of N1 you can print. Definitely it is a string actually. It is a string. Second one also is string. So by default type value you can take, if you as a input you can give integer, float, boolean value, it can consider as a string input only. Okay, string input only. So, okay, if you want to read the pure number value, we need to use the some type conversion methods. Okay, look here. Okay, just I given the 20 and I given the 40. What happens, sir? Type is string and string. And two values are going to concatenated. Yes or no? Yes or no,
yes
guys?
sir, yes sir.
So by default input function can take which value, sir? String input, right?
String input.
If you want to convert pure numbers, then use the type conversion methods. Type conversion method, sir. Okay. Type conversion method. Sir, how to convert it? Now I am giving small image. You will get more clarity, sir. Guys, here I giving, this is nothing but our input function. Actually, input function by default can take a string value only. And this string input I want to convert as a pure integer number. Integer number. Now I want to convert as a floating point number. I want to convert as a Boolean value, sir. Okay. What happened? Boolean value. I want to convert as a complex value. Okay, complex value. complex value. Like this, I want to convert it. We have only 5. Then what we will do, sir? Okay, here we have a mechanism. Okay, string to, okay, string to, our string means what? When you give the 20 value, by default is taking as a string. String can declare in Python with double quote and single quote. It's a string integer value. So this string integer value we are going to converting into pure number like a 20. 20. Then they given one function. The function is what? Int of and input of. This is the function. So input function can take a string integer value, and the string integer value going to converting with int function. Here int function is nothing but a type conversion function. Type conversion function. Are you understand? It can convert string integer value into pure integer number. The same way, okay, then I am going talking about the next function is what? Floating point value. Then here I given the, float, okay, float of
In,
and
input.
input of. Are you understand?
Yes.
Yes,
Float
sir.
is a type conversion method. It can convert, okay, string floating point
Equivalent to
to
floating
pure floating point value. Suppose, look here. So what is the float value? Okay, suppose here I given, 120.00
point.
I given. Okay, means it is a string value, sir. String floating point value. String floating point value. And this string floating point value, okay, convert as a floating point number. Like, okay, 120.00 will be convert. Here float is a type conversion method. The next one here, okay, next one, okay, here what we call boolean. Suppose, I given the true, taken as a single quote, the string value. How to convert, sir? Then they given the
E double O here.
bool of, tell me, in
Input of
is a function. So converting, what happens, sir? Okay, boolean value into string boolean point. Right. Similarly, we are going to converting the complex value also. Then what happened? Something complex,
COM
complex of
input.
input of. Then what happened? Converting string complex value into pure complex number. Right? Guys, are you there? Need your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
These are
sir.
the type conversion methods, sir. Type conversion method. So here what happened? It can convert it as a pure Boolean value.
Boolean value.
So here you given value like this, 10 plus something 90J you given with single quote, with single quote. And it can convert pure number 10 plus 90
90G.
90J. Then this is what we call conversion method, sir. So fix your brain. By default, input function can take all string input
String
value
value.
only. But we need to convert one type to the another types. Now here I am going to show you will get more clarity. Okay, one example, sir. I am coming one by one. Okay, one by one I will give for all example for you. Look, my friends. Suppose I given the, I given, uh, a roll number. Roll number is what actually is what, sir? Pure integer number. How to use, sir? Int of, input
Input
of, then write, enter your roll number. Like this you can say. Now, if you print now, sir, print, I am going to printing the roll number, comma, I am using the type of roll number also I am going to printing for better understanding purpose. Yes or no?
yes.
Now understand here, input, the input by default can take what? Suppose I given roll number 10 I given. It can take as a string input. String integer. The string integer we are converting into pure integer number, like a 10. Like a 10. The similarly, suppose I given the names are Name is nothing string type, so not required to convert. Directly you can write what, sir? Okay, input of enter your name. For string not required to convert. Okay, not required to convert. Because of directly it is nothing but a string value. String value. Print. I am going to printing name, comma. Okay, type of name I printed. Similarly, okay, salary. Then what happened? What is the function, sir? Float
Floater
of
of
input
input of salary. Input
enter. Okay,
your
enter your
salary.
salary values. Salary value. Right? Here I given print. Okay, salary, comma, type of.
Type of salary.
Right? Suppose B is equal to, tell me, what is the function, sir? Bull of,
Boolean
tell me, input,
input
input,
of of double enter
enter,
your
Boolean
value.
value, right? And then what happened? Print
Enter
B, comma,
the
type of
type of
B. So
boolean
if you give with input, it can treat as a string, right? But we convert it. Okay, COM is equal to what? A complex of input
input
of,
of
okay,
enter your
complex complex value. Complex value. Then okay, print
enter
okay, COM
comma
comma
type of
type of COM.
com.
Then look, sir. Now just you can run it. Okay, roll number 10 I given. Okay, 10 integer. Name. Okay, name. RN I given. Okay, what happened, sir?
String
String. Salary is okay, 80,000.99 I given. What happened, sir? Okay, floating
value.
value. Floating point value. Clear my point?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then I given that true. Okay. It is a Boolean value. Okay. Something 50 plus something 2j I given. Right? It is a complex value.
Complex value.
But if you give directly with input, what happens are all are the string typed only, right? So tomorrow onwards, when we are going developing the application, compulsory we are going to using the this format only. Clear my point? Guys, yes or no? Need your
Yes.
response.
Yes, sir.
This is the okay input functions. You know how many functions we have, sir? Int, float, bool, and complex, right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Yes.
You can practice this all those things in your Python IDE, sir. Please understand. And slowly I will show you how to edit code in VS Code also. Don't worry. Okay, but my Python software is not working in my PC. That's why I'm going to showing you all the example in okay in online compiler. Clear? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Your first function, sir. I'm giving the int function. Simple thing. The use of okay, int function is convert what we call convert a string
The
integer
into pure integer value.
values into pure
Pure integer value.
super. Okay, like this you can learn, sir. Pure integer value. What is the syntax? Okay, here I given the individual syntax also. This is the individual syntax. Okay, the next function. Tell me what is the next function, sir? What is the second function? Float.
Float
No. Tell me what is the definition? The use of float function
of
is
the use
To
of
convert string float into pure, sorry, to convert string into pure float.
convert string float value, floating point, okay, values into pure floating point value. Yes or no? Pure
Yes,
decimal
sir.
number. We can call it decimal numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Decimal numbers, guys. Decimal numbers. And here is our example. Will be this one, huh? Okay. Control C. The next, what is the next function? Guys, what is the third function? What is the third function? Third function. Bulla.
Boolean.
Hmm. Tell me, what is the definition? Okay. The
String
user,
of
okay, bull function is convert
convert string bool point value.
string boolean
Point
values, okay,
into
values into, okay, pure
pure
boolean number, boolean value. These are the type conversion or type casting methods. Type casting, converting or string type to in other types. Converting string data type to and other data type. That's why what we call is are the type casting methods, guys. Okay, the next fourth method is what is the fourth method, sir?
complex complex
Complex. 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 Okay, the use
unit of complex
complex, okay,
is convert
is
string
convert string
complex
complex
value into pure complex value
complex value into
into pure
pure
complex value.
complex number. So when we use or when you are going to working with uh, mathematical equation, then give what a complex values, sir. Right? So these are the basic methods every time we are going to using while developing your Python programming language. Clear? So this is the story about over the today's session, sir. Sir, I given so many content here. Please once practice in your end. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the all functions. Sir, I reveal, 8 functions are. The first function is print, second one is type, third one is ID, fourth one is input. And again, inside input, again, we have a 4 function. Int, float, boolean,
Float
and
boolean
complex.
complex.
Right? So this is the story about our today's session. And if you have any queries, you can ask me. I'll explain you. Please.
Sir, can you please explain about that F function, sir, when you explained in the beginning?
సత్య అది ఒక ఫార్మాట్ నాన్న ఇగో మన అవుట్పుట్ ని మనం సో వీ కెన్ డిస్ప్లే ద అవుట్పుట్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ ఆల్సో ఓకే ఐ షో యూ వన్ థింగ్ గివ్ మీ వన్ ఓకే వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఇవన్నీ అవుట్పుట్ ఫార్మాటింగ్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో స్ట్రింగ్ ఫార్మాట్ ఇవి చూడండి సో డైరెక్ట్లీ ఐ గివెన్ ద 15 వాల్యూ ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ okay then curly brace and second number is like this. Okay, even you are not going to using F, no problem. Okay, F indicate the format. Okay, when you are going to using, sometimes we would like to format our output to make it attractive ways. This can be done by using the okay format function also. Format method. Format method. This method is visible only one string object. So if you want to display multiple values at a time, then go with format function. F means what? Format. Okay, na? And we know we given the implicit type conversion also we given. These are type conversion methods. Okay, type conversion method also just now I given this part. This is the yes or no? String to pure value. This one we given, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear my point. Sir, any queries, please? Okay, I'll send you this a note. This notes. Okay, I think they are not created the group. So once group is created, I'll send you, right? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, they are not yet created. Okay, once created, I'll send the notes also. Thank you and have a nice day, man. I hope you understand the today's session, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think they created the group, sir, because
Not
we got the group.
are they added me?
Don't know.
Let me check once. Yes, they created. Hi, but you know, I, okay, I sent you the notes, sir. Okay, the same notes I'll use for all the topics. Only one notes. Okay, from you here, you can collect the notes. Download it and once practice.